I've worked on hundreds of Mercedes-Benzes over the years, and this right here is something I hardly ever see get properly replaced. I would think that after looking at this one, that it's probably original to the car, and the car's over 20 years old. Look at the groove in there. See the groove on the rubber seal? If you're finding you're losing small amounts of coolant, it might be due to this cap right here. Maybe leaking out the coolant reservoir tank or the top of the radiator and going out the overflow tube. So this is a very inexpensive part. Look at what a new one looks like. You can see it's not only got a stronger rubber seal, but a lot of times you'll find it has a stronger spring. These springs weaken up with age. So don't forget to check your radiator cap or your coolant reservoir cap and just change it. It's not an expensive part.